What we talk about when we talk about growth is something that has a beginning but no end. So where do we start out? When RS Components started out from a lock-up garage in northwest London, 1937, even then we always sold our own branded components. We've left those 4 garage walls behind for the corners of the earth, expanding into 32 global locations. Our brand now supplies over 600,000 customers worldwide across every industry. It was in 2016 that we decided to collect our many labels into one single brand, RS Pro, focusing our efforts to develop an offering based on quality, choice and value, and making it come to life with innovative ideas. The new focus and brand consolidation delivered exponential success. Our first 160 million took 79 years to accomplish. Then we doubled that in 6. Having over 80,000 products across all industries and technologies, we're able to combine many components into integrated solutions, enabling engineers to build what they need to do the best job possible, whatever the job. Enabling buyers to streamline, optimize and simplify their sourcing. We're venturing into endeavours of global significance. Our sustainability efforts begin within our own processes, with reviewing and refining our supply chain and ethical sourcing practices. Focusing on procuring products with sustainable characteristics, like our new biodegradable 3D printing filament, and delivering product solutions that help our customers build sustainable futures. Looking ahead, we have so much room for growth as foundations are firmly set, and as our talented team leads us to new places with strategy and vision. As we explore new ideas and technology, expanding and innovating across new channels, new locations, with sustainability and solutions as our centre. There's no end to growth, but there are goals. Making amazing happen with RS Pro.